Okay, I think we're live. We got some stuff to do. Let's actually open the other. I'm still having OS issues with this is like a fresh install. Yeah. So no. Okay, so right now we've done Puffer MOBA. A few different things we should have completed here. So this one, do we have win? Is it score? Victory. Perfect. So you can see 100% radiant victory here. This baseline actually trains in only 60 million steps. It's cool. Episode return. Interesting. So we have the policy train now. And then the other one that we were looking for. Hold on a second. Okay. Other one we're looking for is this one here. Not this one. Okay, 4 hours. And yeah, we can see that pretty much we have consistent scoring on all these runs. So probably this is about as good as it gets. We'll be able to take one of these, and then we will get two more final policies uploaded hopefully right now. Let's just set this up. Heck. There we go. So first thing is, do we do the MOBA first? Yeah, let's do that. Docker, yeah, sudo test. All right, so now we do demo, upper MOBA, eval, native, baseline. And let's see what this does. CUDA not available. CUDA should be available. Oh, lovely. There we go. Why is the Wannabe API so damn slow? They need to do something about that. That honestly just feels terrible to use. Like having a 10-second startup time at least on an application is insane. Really? There's like a lot of new system stuff that I have just not fixed yet. I left a comment somewhere on this. I don't remember where I left it. I do remember I got it from Claude. Yeah, this. Okay. Does it work now? Okay, great. So here's our game window. This is our trained agent. You can see Assassin running in here. See the rest of the team coming in. Is that the whole team? I believe so. Support shouldn't be that far ahead, but that's a decent enough policy. We can watch the individual agents. The tank here probably should save mana to heal. I don't know if he's doing that now. Probably not now. He dashed in. All right, that was silly. Oh, maybe not. He got the tower. Should definitely wait here, because now he's going to die, right? Or is this thing just genius? No, he's dead here. Yeah. But that would require a little bit more than we should expect from this simple baseline. All around, reasonable enough model. Runs nice and smoothly. Pretty cool. Okay. We'll go grab that. Stupid Wannabe API, I swear. PT. Let's grab this policy. And we're going to convert it. Well, this doesn't load anything. What's wrong? Failed to open text file. It's loading the wrong shader, and I have no idea why. That's like incredibly obnoxious. Possibly works on web. I don't feel like dealing with this at the moment. Fix. Let me turn the AC on here. Okay. Grr. Well, this appears to work, right? So whatever it is, it's just the platform not recognizing desktop somehow. This is... Okay. This is fine. So now all we have to do is get the triple triad policy. Six 6.2. Okay, so here, here are the existing runs. We can see them all. Oh yeah, you can actually see there's like a little bit of separation here with these. And is this the best one? Yeah, I like this one. This one looks very stable as well. We'll just copy these parameters pretty closely. So you need 200 million steps. And let's just put this here. Okay, BPT horizon is the same. Entropy. Got lambda. It's a reasonable value. Gamma. Also reasonable. Update epochs 2 is fine. I think that's it, right? I didn't sweep all that many parameters. Maybe I could have done better. But I think this is fine. Yeah, so this ought to train in just a few minutes, I believe, right? Yeah, 800K. Let's see if this matches. Triple triad. Okay, 3 minutes. And then we will have triple triad. And then that will be everything except Go, hardware tactics. TCG is not a finished M, so we'll move that or whatever. There's lots of like info to add to each of these and whatnot, and there will be some cleanup. But the hard part of getting trained policies, consistently trained policies, parameters, that side will be set. And this looks nice and consistent as well. Yeah, very consistent. So from there, I can do, there's dockside work to do, which I will probably do right after this. See if we have anything from other env contributors. Meantime. Perfect. Yeah, the triple triad is, the score is quite consistent here. We should probably have like a win rate or something instead. Hey Noah, welcome. Back streaming here. So you're having some setup issues? Let's get that working for you. I don't know why this search doesn't work. Is this it? I thought I'd taken care of that. Installation of PufferLib. If you do a platform.system like this, do you get Darwin? Because this is what I had here in order to try to get a Mac version of RayLib. I don't have a Mac, so I didn't test it, right? But I did put the Mac build path. Please tell me this at least saved the baseline. Should have. I keep, how can you check? Just run the code. Import platform, platform.system. I can't check this for you because I don't have a Mac to test this on and I don't have your machine. So basically, I just want to know whether it correctly installed this, or it looks like from the error, it probably didn't, this check didn't work. So it's named something other than Darwin. Which this should be true on Mac if you're, running it like that. Maybe it could be something weird where like, because you're in a container, it's different or something, but yeah, let me know there. It's perfect. Did not upload the damn model. Seriously? No, not in a container? Well, yeah, then tell me what the platform name is. Because my guess is it's not going to be the correct one. Crazy warnings. RayLib name. Okay, so it looks like it has... Oh. You know what it probably is? Yeah, okay. Let me try something 1 second. Run this in the background while I'm helping you. /RayLib. This gives you RayLib. What's it failing on? You're building... You didn't give me the command here. Is this building for web? I don't know why else it would be on libre.a. ARM64. Yeah, so... Oh, wait. Do you not have a RayLib folder? Because... So what should happen here, right, is if you don't have RayLib already, it will download the correct tar bundle for you, and then it renames it. So you should have a folder that has RayLib stuff in it. Like this. Right? I have RayLib and RayLib Wasm. Yeah, that's the correct command. You can see this instantly works for me. Not enough mana. You can see it's like instant. RayLib and RayLib Wasm, okay. And then you run this. When you say RayLib name is... Oh, you just put a breakpoint, I see. Hmm. It's old. Hmm. Is there something else for this? Oh. Uh... Well, this is building. You have the binaries. Just happen here. Oh. Damn it. I'll fix that. It's weird because they do ship binaries, right? Yeah, they ship Mac OS. Have you pasted this into Sond or something? This is bizarro. Not even trying to build it. Oh, wait, yeah, I remember this. There was some bullshit. Noah, try this. Dash Framework Core Foundation. I really hate the idea of having to have like a CMake or whatever just because. Where should you add that? Oh, wait. My bad. This is the wrong. I see why you're confused. Yeah, so this goes. So if you're using local, you just put it like anywhere here. Just make a line for it. I actually think that there was, I thought Spencer had some flags. There might be, oh, wait. Dude, I literally have it here. This thing, it's in here. Just uncomment this. I forgot I had done this already. This is the Mac flag. These are the Mac flags right there. They're just commented. My bad. I don't build for Mac, so I don't test this stuff often. But yeah, we'll figure something for this. I'll probably just add like some switch or something. I really don't want to. In my mind, it's like so stupid to have a make file and like to have to add that as a dependency and have a whole build system just because Mac is a pain in the ass. How to run the M? /tcg. What happened? Weird that it seg faulted the first time. I have no idea why. And it's a seg fault again. Does look like it occasionally seg faults. Yeah. Runs perfect. Very good. I think that I might have not have diagnosed. There might be, it's a new environment. It's just a prototype. So I might not have caught everything yet. It's really weird for there to just be a straight seg fault. So that might be, I haven't seen that before. That might just be this system being weird. But yeah, try that for now. That should get you something to get started on for dev. So does this work? Yeah, this totally does work. It's missing the assets. You get the assets off my laptop. Let's finish triple triad first. Can you explain the current rules? Yeah. So I mean, it's like Magic the Gathering. You probably should play that if you haven't. But it's just num keys. So like basics Magic the Gathering, you need to get mana in order to do anything. You can play one land per turn. You see the number key to press, so I press 3. I've played my land for the turn. If I hit enter, I'll pass. Then there's the draw phase, you can see. And then let's see, I have 1 mana. You can see that these both cost 0. There's nothing I can play for 1 mana. But if I play this land, now I have 2 mana. So I can play this card here for both of my lands tap. So I've used that mana. These are both free, so I can play this and this. And then if I hit enter, it's attack phase. So I can hit 3, 4, 5. I'm going to swing with all of these. And I attack. He doesn't block me. Let's see, I play my land. I cannot play, I'm spamming land. I can't play land. And you see, like, you get outputs here. I have 3 lands, so I can play this. 2 lands tap. And then I can swing. Okay. And I attack him, and he's got 8. Play my land. Play my card. And then we're going to swing with 7, 8. Swing with all that, and I win. You need to kind of play Magic the Gathering a little bit, though. Those are the very basics. If you look up any MTG content, you will see that. But yeah, that is the TCG prototype. And for some reason, exiting that game kills my camera, which is bizarro. So I do actually have a free error. This is not a drill. Yeah, you cannot free the env here. The seg fault is really bizarre. Okay, so this is fine. This is just internal stuff. I'm missing something. Heck? Error disabling. Hmm. It's in the sanitizer itself. It's weird. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Okay, the code is fine. This is a new machine, and there's some screwy things going on with my operating system, and one of them is breaking the address sanitizer itself. We're fine. This M should be correct. So we're going to build the extension, and now hopefully training works. Hopefully that's that. We should have TCG correctly added. And we can do docs after this. Possibly robocode? Yeah, robocode PNG. Okay, way, way better. Way, way better, right? Here we go. Holy, okay, I gotta fix my camera. I don't know why it keeps crapping out like this. There seem to be a variety of system problems on this machine that I gotta fix. At least it's not Windows. No, it's just this is if you have other garbage. Interesting. I'm gonna try swapping ports though next time. Alright, so here we go. This actually worked now. So here's Puffer triple triad, right? Here's the score. Very nice. Alright, we're moving this port. Hold on. Let me see how I'm going to do this. Plug this. Plug this. Plug this. Alright. Let's try this. It's crazy obnoxious. Okay. So we're going to actually get the robocode demo on, and I think I know how I'm going to do it as well. So first of all, CG T We get the TCG policy. We're going to have to add a little c policy to TCG. I think the TCG has a very simple one. So this is TCG. TCG weights, right? Okay, so I see. Yeah, that looks like default linear LSTM policy. This is the number of weights right here. We need that. So we're just going to do decoder weight. Looks like 114 obs and 15 actions or something like that. Oh wait, first of all, this is totally wrong. It's not TCG, it's triple triad. Duh. So we're going to just move TCG. This is going to be a resource. Stop bin. Triple triad weight stop bin. Perfect. .c. And we're going to just go grab what has a linear LSTM policy, probably like Pong. Yeah. So here we go. Oops. Paste this. We're going to include puffernet. Make a linear LSTM. I think it's triple triad. 114 and 15. So I think this is that how it works? Num agents input dim and dim. Agents 1 input dim action. Perfect. So that is that. And I don't know what the heck is going on here. Motion Pong.c. So I make this at the top actually. And then I probably just want to copy like this whole block for now. I'm not going to use all of it obviously, but let's put this here. Just load your network in. Here's your weights. Triple triad weights binary. And we load this in. And let me see how this is done. So if key is pressed, I see. So yeah, I need to, first of all, I need this little block of logic here, which is if this left shift is down, whoops, then we do all this. And then else, we do forward linear LSTM, observations and actions. This only works if the types are correct, which because Spencer did it with floats, this actually works as is. Easy. And then, did I do this wrong? Yeah, so this actually, this goes one level down, I believe. Yeah, so like this. Else you do forward. And then, where is it? Forward. Ah, no, and then step. This. Yeah? Close client. Cool. So this should now run in theory. Okay. Okay, so this actually does run, but it runs at a utterly stupid pace. Thought that I had a smart way of doing this. Yes. You put a U sleep. What does this need? This needs just time.h, I believe. I don't think that was quite it though, right? If, and yeah, you need this. Greater than equal to 0. And then you have a no op. So this is how we want it, but we need to know ocean. Is there a no op? There is a no op, and it's actually 0 already, which is very convenient for us. Equal no op. A new step. Also have to include so if I hold shift here, weird things are happening. Why are my colors reversed? Wait, red is on the left in this game? Colors are just backwards. Is this it? Nope. Create 3x3 board. Starting locations. There we go. Okay, so these colors are backwards somehow. This one is correct. Okay, so these are the only places that anything happens. Okay, I think I got it. Needs some cleanup, but dang, my camera still does this bullshit. Looks like the policy's good though, at least. It's consistently winning. Okay, so you need EX in order to give a thickness. Okay, so that's better. At least now you can see the card borders. I don't like this yellow. I like green. Can't see the yellow. Oh yeah, the green shows up, I think, right? Seems easier to see. Yeah, it's not very responsive though. Let me figure out what I messed up. It's the action. Oh. Yeah, that's moderately annoying. About greater than equal to. Let's see. This doesn't do anything at all. Oh, you know what it needs to be? No op. You have to step if it's not a no op. Okay. And then you only sleep. Yeah, let's try this. Ignore the seg faults, that's my machine. Okay, see now it's responsive like immediately. Okay, the only thing we need to do is we need to move this below the render because the render needs to be instant. Okay. See this? Yeah. Now the responsiveness is there immediately. Probably needs to be a little longer for this game. This feels good. Okay, those are some nice improvements to triple triad. Policy is now loaded. That did not take that much time. Actually, ocean. Build this for web. And triple triad game. Assets, triple triad. Okay, now everything is copied there. $786. Okay, it's got a weird size to it. These are work on P, GCG, code, port, old Java, Pro, 2C, code, and then width is a weird width, 786. I think that's the full, or 68. And then 576, like this. Okay. Div class games grid. And then I need what, work in progress grid or whatever. Game card. And just do this exact same bloody thing. Div class. Okay, so here is initialize. Wow. I really, really hate JavaScript. This is the dumbest language ever designed, possibly. No way Java exists. Do I hate Java more or JavaScript? It's a tough one, you know? Sure, let's just try some stuff and see what happens for now, you know? Okay, so it uploads all of our games here. Stupid resolution. It does upload all of them. And then it doesn't actually do anything else with that. Initialize games. Grid. Oh, this has got to be like this, right? Yeah, okay, now we get it twice. Right, because I'm now... This is work in progress, grid. Isn't it amazing how it looks like I actually kind of know JavaScript? I do not. I'm literally just guessing what an insane person... What would an insane person's concept of a programming language be? Probably something like this, right? Do I even need to refresh it? Probably doesn't cache, right? Close. Okay. Yep, that's how it works. So stupid. I don't know why I decided I wanted to do my own website for the new update. I really don't. I guess I just don't like using outside overly complicated stuff, but it's like down the rabbit hole. I'm going to be writing the whole website in C next, so I don't have to touch JavaScript ever. The funny thing is I legitimately think that would probably be easier and it would be faster. Okay, main.js is fine, and then what we need, Ocean, and we just need to add, literally all I have to do is add this section. Okay, now the only thing is that this does not actually let you set. So these ones work still, but you need to be able to play them. Add event listener. One click load game. Why don't we just do game? Right? And then this will just do games. Can you do this? I hope. Okay, response error for both. File not found. Why? I literally can't see the freaking path. I hate the web stuff. It's like so dumb. Nothing matches the given URI. What did I mess up here? Progress. Oh, I messed up all of them. Can you not do that? I'm confused. Const game. Oh wait, oh yeah, I see it, I see it. So it's gotta be. Yeah, this is 100% like an insane person's idea of programming. Holy hell. Every time it's like, there's probably some sane stuff on the web. They're not just going to be doing freaking eval by default. Surely that wouldn't be how things work. Nope. It's actually that insane. Okay. This is breakout. Yeah, okay. I just clicked the wrong thing. Okay, and then robocode. Okay, so this is failing. Let me see if it's robocode. I've never tested that end. Breaks the web page that badly? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so here's the TCG. And yeah, robocode just doesn't work, which is fine. Let's figure out what's wrong with robocode. Okay, this just freezes the frickin' page. Ah, this is... Try this. There's some things that you have to do for web. Very, very small. Okay. Technically, there's also the like the physics end I could put online, but I think that requires me to compile box 2D for web, which I do not feel like dealing with right now. Still no? Now that should definitely work. Right? That's still frozen. Well, not window should close. Right? Well, not window should close. This one actually looks fine. Yeah, this one looks fine. So I'm wondering what what the issue is here. Oh, something got messed up. Reset and end. While not, window should close. Is that it? Oh, I guess you're just not allowed to do that. That's fine. It's always annoying to debug that crap. No big deal though. Jeez. How does this even work? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we go to ocean. Hey, there we go. And it's really hard to play. It's because tank controls are hard. But it does exist. It's an environment. And you can play it, actually, it turns out. And you can kind of like surf the bullets like this. It's kind of fun. So you can play it and you can win. Cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need, there are 2 more in development as well, 2 or 3 more. And we got these. That's a nice collection. Let's commit all this up, I believe. Yeah, let's commit all this up. Cool. So now that will be live, so you guys can play with those. And let's add some stuff here. Triad. Demo. And we don't need to mess with that just yet. Was it C, H, and PNG? C, H. Triple triad, C, H, and pi. And then it's fine. And what else do we need to add here? Source. Robocode. And I believe that is it. And baselines and tweaks. Okay, that's a solid bit of work done there. I'm quite pleased with that, actually. Especially this snake end looks so good. So you can actually see these on puffer.ai, this section here. You can see it's already live, actually. Look at that. Nice. Anything else that I got in there? I think that's it. Oh, snake as well. Snake. That's some solid progress. Still nobody doing robocode's crazy to me. If anybody wants to help us finish this, shouldn't be that much work. I just haven't gotten around to it. Maybe I'll take a couple days and do it at some point. It would be such a nice environment. You can play it. It's just kind of difficult because of the tank controls. But the game was kind of built with tank controls in mind. Yeah, so here. So this is the easiest way to like cheese it without having to do hard controls. Is to just like cheese the... Where is it? Where you just, yeah, you just go forward and back and you dodge like this. And then they don't dodge you. That's the easiest cheese. Yeah, like this. Very nice. Where's the TCG screenshot? How long is the code? Yeah, maybe we get people help us. Other than that, I think that is. I have to clean up docs a whole bunch and stuff like that. But for baselines, as far as that goes, where is it? I mean, it's live now, so we can just go to the main. Puffer AI. We can just go to the main site. We have docs, or no, we have baselines for everything except these three. I think Spencer will get baselines for these two. I gotta talk with Nathan about this one. And then there are two more M's that I have to track down contributors for. Noah is looking at this. Possibly we find somebody for RoboCode. I really would like to find somebody to help with this one. Technically, I could probably finish this up in like 2 or 3 days. But, I mean, 1 or 2 really good days. Might be worth it. I just don't want to delay the release even more while I'm doing all this documentation side work. It's also possible I just find somebody to help with this freaking annoying website who knows what they're doing, and then I take the time to finish this. We'll see. But there's like one other end I'm also working on that's not here yet, that's taking up some time too off stream. Either way, this is going to end up being a pretty decent collection, I'd say. Let's see if Spencer needs anything. So other than that, I think they're just, maybe we just start on the docs for a little bit for 45 minutes before dinner. Oh, that looks like everything for now. No, TCG, final issues. Okay, Xander's making progress. Bet needs help with training, free at 7, cool. It's a little late, Bet, but yeah. RoboCode. Very good. Spam bots. Okay. I think we just have to do docs and stuff. Well, there's docs and usability are kind of two separate things. I was looking at the help menu. Go over to this. Well, that doesn't show very much. Okay, so help menu is going to take a bit of time. I'm trying to think, is that the thing I want to do right now is get into the help menu? It's not a terrible idea. Let me see if I can figure out the help menu in like 45 minutes. Shouldn't be that hard. I say knowing full well that it's way harder than you would think. To add this help menu, well, this thing isn't particularly helpful either, right? This is way too much. So this gets you mode. Oh, they look like they're added in order that you put them as well. If I do this, does it move to the bottom? It does. Do you even need to change this anymore? I don't think you need to change this. I've never used this argument, right? Okay, so here you have all your config paths. It's got to have a default in it, right? Yeah, config default any. Oh, I know why I did that, right. That's super confusing though, how that's crazy confusing. Yeah, I don't think you want that, do you, at all? That's going to actually take some thought. It's going to actually take some thought here. I didn't think this through. So you probably don't want triple, layers of stuff like this, right? I would imagine. Well, Ocean doesn't have a default. Atari does have a default. Maybe it's okay. Nah, I don't think you ever want anybody to have to touch this stupid thing. It's like it's one of those things where it's like it's almost better to just take the feature out and hard code it because it's such a stupid way to shoot yourself in the foot for no apparent reason. It's like messing with default configs. Yeah, I think the most likely thing is that we're going to just end up putting we'll like end up putting like a pretty restricted set of hyperparam sweep stuff in there. That makes sense, right? You technically, I don't even think you really need this subconfig thing. The only M's that have a subconfig, right? It's literally just Atari. But like all the Atari M's share some stuff. Yeah, I see. It's because you have all these freaking M's. Okay, so for now, I think I'm going to keep this. I'm going to get rid of this line. Do like that. Okay, one less confusing thing. Now, you just need to add like help menus to each of these, I think. PufferLib demo options. Version. Shows valid args for your end policy. Well, it doesn't do that at the moment. That should go up top, I think. Okay, that's a little nicer. Camera. Okay. So now I have to wonder why the other args are not showing up. Can you even do... You can't even pass CLI args like this, can you? How did we get all these train args? Hang on. Okay, so it adds anything that's in here, it gets added, right? Ah, okay, so it has to be in the config. It has to be in the ini file to get added. I think that's a reasonable compromise, right? Yeah, that's a reasonable compromise. Is that you actually do get it, but you have to have it in the ini file. It doesn't do it dynamically from anything else, which I think is totally fine. Name equals Completely wrong. Nice job, Super Maven. It's also fine. Okay, this is fine. So overall menu is good. We'll have to take a look at some config stuff. But env menu is actually pretty decent. It's a good balance. It has all the arguments, but it doesn't have to do like a whole bunch of dynamic arg bullshit. I think that's good. We're gonna have to like clean up maybe some of this stuff. It's already pretty dense, I know for sure, but this profiler is worthless, I'm pretty sure, right? Profiles are training. Not bad, maybe. We'll leave that stuff as is for now. Let's go check the docs. So this now works, right? Yep. Help. And snake. It doesn't work if you do -- help though. You have to like yeah, you have to actually like type in. Okay, that's weird. So how do I get that to work? Can you like post hoc? Can you add help post hoc? Ah, you see? This is why we do this. There is a special term for the add of help here, but you can add it It looks like you can add it yourself later. What's this underscore? Are you kidding me? Are they calling an underscore method on this? That's insane. What is this? This is not a Python, like a weird Python language thing I'm not familiar with, is it? Translation? Huh? The hell? Translation function? Are you kidding me? There is a built-in for translation? What? No, we're not doing that. Fucking batshit. Holy. Why is there a built-in for that? That's insane. A lot of my work lately and just making stuff actually work has just been saying no to like all the crazy I'm a clever programmer things. It's like, no, be stupider. Yeah. Welcome. Looks insane as well. Yeesh. What's this suppress? Where is this imported from? Oh, argparse.suppress. Great. I can just do. Okay, so let's see if this works. The goal is to add help late so that we get argument.h, conflicting options. Really? Are you not allowed to add it? Well, how does it work when they do it? Defaults? They actually have a thing that prevents you from doing it. Add argument 259, right? Argument group. If action.help is not suppress. Add argument. Well, this has a bunch of args. So it must be the other one that's getting called, right? Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, that's obnoxious. Okay. Can I delete it? $16. I just want to like delete the default implementation. Is this dumb? This seems like a reasonable thing to try to do. Maybe this is getting too clever. All I want to have is a freaking help menu that's. I just want a dynamic help menu is all I want. Shouldn't be too much to ask. Option strings. Actions container. Okay, so this is something different. Oh, add help is true. I think you have to do add help is false. Is that it? Maybe you have to do that. Maybe I was just being dumb. Yep, giga dumb. The default is true. You get tons and tons of stuff now, right? Possibly too much stuff, but you do get everything now. So we'll consider if there's a way to clean this up. But you do get all the arcs. And if I do, I mean, I can see it right there in the end. Okay. I think that does it. That wasn't that bad. Puffer snake. Okay. And then mode train and breakout. Ah, you need carbs for this. We'll have to bundle these things. Oh wait, shouldn't this just work, didn't I? No, I do need to do this. I don't even know if you need this. Yeah, we don't even use multiprocessing, so we can take this out. Carbs. Batch size. Yeah, that's a to-do. You should not need this is now default. Train.learning dash rate. So it's just vision here. Oh yeah, that works. Changes model size as well. Cleaning up the dots. This will be way nicer for people, I think. There we go. This should be random policy, and then that opens instantly. It's literally just Wanby being slow as molasses. There we go. That's good. So these should all work nicely now. You not copy? No, no copy? Do we not have the technology? I mean, we really should have an auto test for this, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna make an auto test for this. 522 of this. Making progress. I think it's probably going to be like, I gotta get all these M baselines. There's gonna be some dock cleanup and stuff. Then there's gonna be like a few days of like just cleaning up the basic user experience, pruning dead code, cleaning up warnings, managing dependencies, all that crap. That's basically all that's left on release, other than like the few outstanding M's. Stupid me, independently. Cool. There are probably a couple more experiments and things I need to set up tonight. A few more contributors that'll need a couple things from me, but that is pretty well good. So for the few people, the couple of folks watching this here, if you are interested in any of the stuff, do an RL. I have lots of various articles and things on X. JSwar is 5341, same as my username. I have the website, PufferAI GitHub IO. Here you can find a GitHub link. Go ahead and star the Puffer, helps me out a ton. There's the Discord you can join, be number 800, discord.gg/puffer, then the link to my X. Other than that, I will be back streaming tomorrow morning and in the afternoon as well. So thank you.